Keenesburg Horses and Hay is an incredibly rare equestrian estate located just 2 miles southeast of Keenesburg, Colorado. This spectacular property boasts 80 acres of land and features a beautiful 2,961 square foot house, a 1,440 square foot guest house, heated indoor arena with adjoining 10-stall horse barn, a large outdoor arena, multiple turnouts, deeded water shares for irrigation and hay production, and so much more. The main home features a gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1.5-story layout with beautiful tile flooring, an eat-in kitchen with a separate dining area, full stainless steel appliances, spacious 3-car garage, and main-level master bedroom with 2 upper guest bedrooms. The outside of the home boasts a stucco exterior with stone veneer siding, a covered front porch, and great back patio with an outdoor fireplace, great for relaxing and entertaining. The extensive improvements on the property is truly what sets this amazing listing apart. Improvements include a large heated indoor arena with 10 separate horse stalls, a wash area and tack room, 2,400 square foot hay barn, a 5-bay heated equipment shop, 10-pen loafing shed with automatic waters, 5 separate turnouts, each with its own loafing shed, and outdoor arena complete with a fully automatic roping chute, roping boxes, and alley for running steers. The many improvements on the property truly offer a great benefit to any new owner and adds even greater value to this already extraordinary estate. Situated just west of the main home is the 1,440 square foot guest house. The guest house boasts a nice 1-story, 2-bedroom, 1-bath layout, complete with a laundry room, full office space, and its own commercial-grade kitchen. In addition to its exceptional home and improvements, this property also offers ample water with a 30-acre irrigated hayfield. The property is currently split into 2 separate parcels with low-lying canal running through the center of the property. With all this property has to offer, the possibilities are truly endless. Don't miss your chance to own this one-of-a-kind equestrian estate. For more information or a qualified showing, please contact John Harity today at 970-685-0645.